Good afternoon. Welcome to Equipment Remarketing. We're taking a look at a 2016 utility, 36'6" by 102 wide. Steel wood, beautiful condition, folks. This has been completely turbo blasted, primed, and repainted. As you can see, the beam condition's in excellent condition. The joists are in great shape. The kingpin plate on this unit has been replaced. As we come down the side here, we have a brand new buyer's toolbox. Brand new rubber, 80% to new drums and brakes. Refurb steel outer rims. Air ride suspension. Has a universal mounting kit. Carries a Moffett, Loadmac, Princeton, and many other brands. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. We have lots of units available. All of our trailers and trucks get brand new straps. As I said, refurb steel outer rims, brand new rubber on almost all of our trailers. As we get back to the front, take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. Give us a call at 260-238-4998. We're more than happy to help in any way we can. Any questions, quotes, etc. Thank you for your time.